Hello everybody from freetradingvideos.com. This is Matador. It's about 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. I'm here with your noon/1 o'clock report. Of course, the news of the day is the GDP report, showing that the gross domestic product shrank at a rate of 3.8% in the final 3 months of 2008. Not quite as bad as the 5.4% drop that economists were expecting. But we are seeing a decline. That, along with a whole bunch of negative news and earnings announcements and worries that the recession is going to continue. So, interestingly enough, however, if you look at the way the market is digesting this, it is a down day, but it doesn't seem broken. So here is a nice daily chart. I haven't changed one line on here from any of my days, so I want to show you that. We do have a lower swing high forming in here now on this daily chart. Zoom in a little bit. And again, simply looking for a higher swing low. We're past this gap fill, which I'll show you in a minute. And we are bouncing right now on the support area from yesterday. Next stop below 83 would have been this 82 area like we discussed. That one's a little tougher to see. And then, of course, the next level would be around the 81, I would put it. Nice round number, even though I'm chopping off a few tails in here. That's a great place to look for some support if these get broken. So, great technical bounce here. You can see it even more dramatic on a 3-minute chart. Scrunch it up. There's that low, perfect little bounce. Right around 83. Nice bounce. Higher swing low now. So this becomes a cup and handle, an inverted head and shoulders, higher swing low trend reversal, whatever you want to call it. The stock chews its way out of this. Resistance, once broken, became support, and now we have another area that's being tested right now. You can see that happening even as we speak. A break out of this area would yield a move back up to the next logical place of resistance, which on this chart is a round number of 84. There we go. And the declining 100 MA. Of course, it is on a 3-minute chart. Like I always say, you have to take that with a grain of salt. And here's a little bit of a technical test of that mark right now. So it would be kind of cool to watch that, see if we can get another higher swing low and work our way out of this, or if we're going to head back south and test some of these support areas. A new one would be, of course, this swing low in here. And then we've already drawn in this 83 mark. You can see it, 82, 89, 83 area is already there. So I don't have to draw that swing low anymore. I'll just paint that line in there though. So there's your support and your resistance on this chart. It's fun to watch those in real time, but also look for relative strength and weakness stocks in the face of this and determine what to do and when to enter those trades. On top of all that, layered is the trend reading. All morning it spent a good portion of it anyway around the 1.5, which again would correlate to 0.75 on the bullish side. So there is some volume flowing into stocks on the decrease. It's not quite as bad as the close yesterday, but now we're coming back down into the 1.0 range, which is neutral. So again, I'd be careful about how I went long before I saw this move back down into the 0.9, 0.8 area. Alright, so very good for confirmation before I went long, unless I'm looking at a great relative strength stock. And there are always those. There's also relative weakness stocks out there that you can find just with quick scans. Check out the VIX. VIX rose concomitantly with the sell-off, but now is falling with the rise in the stock market. So that's nice to have that as confirmation that we might be seeing a nice technical move to the upside, even though, again, it's not confirmed by the trend yet. Alright, just some snippets for you. Hope this helps in viewing your strength and weakness stocks, or if you're going to trade the broad markets themselves, that you would wait for a good technical setup and, of course, always trade with stops. Have fun out there, and had a great week with everybody. Thanks for all your comments. If you post some comments underneath my video tonight, and the ones that have already done that, I'll try to get to those questions and maybe even burn some videos over the weekend to answer some of those questions. Awesome, everybody. Take care and have a great weekend.